We're going to do a test on how to retrieve asynchronous data. In this example, we're going to do when you select a caller, we want to look up the location and set that on the incident. So we're going to look up in the sysuser table, and we have 3 ways to do that. Depending on the value of the short description, if the short description says getRef, we're going to do getReference. If it says REST, we're going to use the REST API built in the platform, utilizing a helper script, a wrapper script, and the third option is GlideAjax, a GlideAjax call. So here is the little script include for the server-side code. And let's see how the 3 of them work. I'm gonna select Karel Vlier, and now it's getRef. And when we do a getRef in the script, now it's done. It took about 5.7 seconds. Let's copy it. Here you see that I'm doing a loop, so it does it 30 times. So let's copy the result here. So this was the reference call. And now if we change this to Ajax, I'm gonna select Karen again, same user. And here you see the glide Ajax took 1.4 seconds. And also the payload is a lot smaller, plus 5,000 characters against 200, around 200 characters. And now we are gonna try our last one. When we say rest, and select Karen again. So this is the result for the REST API call. So you see the getReference generates a lot of overhead because this takes the entire record. The entire record is being queried and passed to the client. GlideAjax wins in terms of speed, 100 milliseconds or around 100 milliseconds. The payload of the REST API is the smallest. So yeah, getReference, another downside of this is it only retrieves the sysid. So when it's set, it also does a subsequent call to get the display value. So that's it is bad practice, and now we can kind of see why. So, and just 2 small examples. This is the code for the REST request. The wrapper is available on GitHub. I'll link it in the video description. And it has default values for the most of them. So when you say here the default table is incident, and when you do a subquery antivirus and the field syscreated on, let's do enter. There we get the result back, and only the display value is being returned. Here I do the sysid as well. So in that case we get the sysid and the syscreated on. So I hope this gives some insight on the performance and the reason why getReference has some serious downsides.